Hello everyone, today's topic is Use Tabbed Layout in AutoCount Accounting version 2. Use Tabbed Layout is an option to use document layouts of AutoCount 1.9.
The default document layout in AutoCount version 2 has no multiple tabs.
There are two ways to access the option, Use Tabbed Layout.
The first method allows selected document to apply Use Tabbed Layout only.
Example at Sales Invoice, right-click the empty section of document header. A list will appear, click Use Tabbed Layout to apply the option for all sales invoices.
The document layout will change, you are able to click Tab to switch, and insert information. You are able to use Save Layout to save the document layout as default, to prevent overwrite by system, due to the document layout will reset after logout.
The second method allows all documents to apply the Use Tabbed Layout, without needing to use Save Layout. Go to Tools, then, Options. Options window will appear, click Invoicing, then, Customize Invoicing to, and Use Tabbed Layout in Document. Click OK, then, a prompt will appear. Follow the steps on the prompt to apply the Use Tabbed Layout option. Go to Tools, then, Clear Cache, and Criteria Data.
Clear Cache and Criteria Data window will appear. Click Delete Temporary Cache Files, then Delete Temporary Criteria Files, then Clear Form Cache, then Collect Memory, and Refresh.
Go to Sales Invoice, open a document, and the document layouts is changed.
That's all for Use Tabbed Layout. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.